today is lesson 4.4, Algebra, Distributive Property. Our essential question is, how can you use the distributive property to find the products? Our vocabulary term that we'll see is distributive property. That states that multiplying a sum by a number is the same as multiplying each add-in by the number and then adding the products together. Our problem of the day is Ellis has 6 boxes. Each box holds 1 pencil. Which number sentence shows how many pencils Ellis has in all? So again, he has 6 boxes and each one holds 1 pencil. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the cubes method. We're going to circle the numbers, which is 6 and 1. We're going to underline the question, which is which number sentence shows how many pencils Ellis has in all. And then we're going to look. We know that each pencil box holds 1 and he has 6 boxes. So as a good test taker, I need to look through all the options. So I see 6 plus 1 equals 7. I know that's not true because I know that each box holds 1. I see B, which is 6 times 1, and that equals 6. So I know that that might be true, but I know as a good test taker too, I need to look through all the options. C and D don't work because 6 minus 1 equals 5. That doesn't make sense in this sentence. And then 0 times 6, well, I know that I have pencils. So it must be letter B. So here is an array. This array is a 6 times 6. So the distributive property talks about how we can take arrays and we can kind of move them around to help us figure out the multiplication sentence. So like in our last lesson, you could do 6 times 6 and use the multiplication chart, and that would equal 36. Or if you counted all these up by 1, it would equal 36. Or you could count it by 6, 12, and so forth. But with distributive property, what you're going to do is you're going to kind of look. And you're going to see to make a compatible number. So I know that there's 5 rows right here. So there's 5 rows here. So I can make the problem 5 times 6, and that equals 30 because I can just count easily by 5s. Then I have 1 line left, and that is 1 times 6 because it's 1 row, but there's 6 in there. And so then what I would do is I'd add the 30 plus the 6 to equal 36. So that's how we do the distributive property. So for you, I would like you to make an array of 5 rows of 6. And then I would like you to make the multiplication problem with that.